A new week is about to begin, and I believe the market will open after about 4 hours or less. I think about even 3 hours. And I noticed here a very interesting setup for you while we're actually analyzing the market. Me and Angela preparing for the signals that we will be sending on the premium group, and I noticed right here this very interesting setup for the pound CAD, and I decided that I wanted to share with you, with everyone, on the deal of the day video. So allow me first please to go to the daily chart. On the daily chart, first of all, oh, you know something, let's go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart is more important. On the weekly chart, my friends, we can see that the pair has reached a very strong overbought level. Sorry, oversold, I mean. And the market actually has been reversing on that strong support level for quite a long time, since 2019. Now, right now, this candle right here, the last candle on the weekly chart, it shows actually a strong rejection on the level. It means that the market actually has failed to break out from this level. Now it indicates that the market is actually gonna make a bullish reversal for this week. So on the weekly chart, we have made sure that the market is gonna be bullish. Let's go now to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, we can see things more interesting. We can see here what seems like a double bottom pattern. Indicates that most likely the pair is gonna continue the rise. So we are having right here another kind of confirmation for the buy. Now someone might tell me, but Salah, we can see that right here the trend is moving down, and we are having right here a resistance, and as you have told us, we are expecting from that resistance to be respected after seeing this bearish breakout candle, so that resistance most likely is going to be respected again and keep its position as a resistance. I will tell him you are correct. That is actually how it works. The market is actually going to make here a reversal respecting that resistance level, but it doesn't mean that the market will keep going in the same direction of that resistance level. That's not how things works. What I'm teaching on my channel is to catch the reversals. Right here, yes, indeed, you can expect a reversal, but however, the reversal won't hold for a long time. Most likely, this is going to be a pullback, and afterwards, the market is actually going to continue the rise. So all we have to do right now is waiting for this pullback to end, and afterwards, we're going to start buying the pair exactly on the lowest level of the support at 1.68432. That's exactly where we are planning to start buying the pair. However, let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see things more interesting. Let me just start drawing the Fibonacci retracement. Now on Fibonacci retracement, my friends, we can notice right here the market right now is reversing indeed on that level of the resistance at Fibonacci retracement number 50. However, we can notice that the market actually has been creating here retracement 38.2 on that level of the previous resistance right here, which was previously a support level. Now what I believe is that the market is actually going to reverse right here before reaching 38.2, exactly on that level of the support right here, and there we are going to start buying this pair, and we will keep our level, we keep our position of the buying until the market reaches Fibonacci retracement 61.8. The target is going to be 61.8, and that means we are expecting to make approximately 95 pips profit from this signal. However, I have to tell you something, that if we are buying right here from that level of the support, there is a slight chance that the market actually might be ranging and actually might go against our direction, reaching 38.2 and actually been ranging for quite a long time, since actually the market on Mondays is not really that much of active. I mean, usually the market is moving slow and low volatility on Monday, and therefore we can expect from the trade to be ranging on the entry level before finally and hopefully, of course, it's gonna be profitable. Therefore, let me just tell you something, that actually the best level to start buying the pound CAD is going to be right here. Buy the pound CAD at 1.68396, and the target, as I mentioned before, my friends, is going to be right here, Fibonacci 68.2, 61.8, sorry, I always confused about this number, 61.8, take profit level at 1.69332. Now regarding our stop loss, since we are actually relying on that support level, if the market is ever going to be able to break out from that previous resistance right here and exceeds that support level, usually this means that the market is going to continue the fall till it reaches 23.6 and reverses exactly on that level of a support at 1.67405, but that is way far from our entry. That is about 110 pips, which is really not good. So therefore we have to actually give it to the last moment, which is going to be exactly right here on that support level, the lowest level of the support below 38.2 at 1.67898, which means our stop loss is going to be about 50 pips only. Yeah, almost 50 pips. Let me just make it a little bit more, just making sure it's almost 51 pips, which is really good and fair enough as a stop loss. So therefore the stop loss will be 1.6788 and 5. Again, I'm telling everyone, please my friends, be careful with this trade. Just because it came from Xtreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it's going to be profitable. There is always the chance that this trade can fail. There is always the chance that we can actually sending signals that might not work. I really appreciate that you are trusting me a lot, but however, it doesn't mean that I'm winning every single trade. I don't do that. Usually we are making some good profits, but of course we are careful about how we are managing our funds. If you are entering this signal, just make sure that you are controlling your funds very well and you have prepared for the losses, so you will not be surprised by how much money you have lost on this trade. Make sure you are actually investing an amount on this deal, and the stop loss will be fixed amount that you can actually afford, and the profit of course will be a reasonable amount that won't be silly for a small accounts. So in the end, I believe it's going to be a good deal and hopefully everyone will make good profits out of it. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you and I would like to thank you for watching.